Good afternoon, friends. I am Nitish from grade 7. I am going to do a puppet show of Lion and the Mouse. In a forest, there lived a lion and a mouse. One day, the lion was asleep. The mouse thought it was a big rock and ran over the lion's back. The lion woke up, caught the mouse. He wanted to eat it up. Oh, king, I'm so sorry. I will never climb on you again. Maybe one day I will help you so. Ha 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 ha. You will help me? Ha 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 ha. I'll let you go. A week later, the lion was caught in a net. It roared. The mouse heard the roar. The mouse wanted to help the lion. Oh, king, I'll help you by biting the net with my sharp teeth. The mouse started to cut the net. He cutted. Oh, thank you, my little friend. You saved my life. The lion and the mouse was become close friends. The moral of the story: even small things will help us in time of need.